In this video, we'll demonstrate how to grant backup reserve permissions via the SolarEdge monitoring platform. This video was recorded in a closed training environment. Refer to the manual and adhere to your company's safety practices while in the field. From the Dashboard tab, select Admin. Next, select Site Access, followed by Access Control. Once in Access Control, scroll to the bottom of the page to Backup Reserve Permissions for site users in SolarEdge mobile applications. In the drop-down menu, there are 5 different options to choose from: None, View Only, Control up to 72 hours, and View and Control. For additional information about these selections, click the blue question mark on the right. There you'll find full detailed descriptions for each option. For this video, we're going to give the homeowner control to view and change the backup reserve. After the selection has been made, click Save, followed by Yes, and then OK. And you're all set. The homeowner can now view and adjust the backup reserve limits through the My SolarEdge mobile application. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.